In today's video, we are going to share the best bedtime drink to lose weight quickly. Poor quality of sleep can lead to acute symptoms like irritation, emotional eating, insulin issues, and even weight gain. So, it is an absolute necessity to get some good slumber at night when you are trying to get into a good shape. There are some drinks that actually help you to build muscles, improve your blood sugar level and burn fat when had before bedtime. It is time to include this effective drink in your diet to drop your weight effectively. Before we go ahead with this drink, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Ingredients: water, chamomile flowers. How to prepare: take 1 cup of boiled water, put the dried chamomile flowers into the cup of water and mix well. Allow to infuse for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, strain it into another cup, add honey or lemon juice to adjust the taste. Brewing a warm cup of chamomile tea is actually sleep-inducing. The tea increases your body's levels of glycine, which is a neurotransmitter that relaxes your nerves. It helps to lose weight easily. It easily melts the accumulation of fat in your body. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.